Welcome back to the Sparkles Creation Show. This is my new show, and so I'm going to show you guys today how to make a taco out of Play-Doh. So what you start with is you take off a little piece of Play-Doh and roll it up into a ball. Then squish it out with your hands. Then you get this. So you just squish it out. And I have a special tool to squish it out, but you can just use your hands to do it. So then you have it nice and flat. So then you will get another little piece of Play-Doh, roll it into a ball, and then what you do is you have it into a little ball, and then that's all that you need. You just need to make a couple more. So just make 1, 2, and 3 more. So then you just put them in the center. You make a line across the thing, and you might need a couple more to make it across. So you might need 2 more. So it's fine. You can just, all that you do is you just put them on here. And then you have them in a line. So then you get a little bit more. A big little ball, and then you squish it out the same way as the other one. You probably need all of it. You squish it down flat, really big, down flat. And you make it bigger than the one you already have. Then it's nice and flat. And then I'm using my special tool on this, but all you need is just your hands. But I'm using this special tool. And then what you do is you take the little balls off, and then you put the piece in the middle. Let's see. You have it over, and then you put the littler smash circle in the middle like this, and then you flip it back over. And you put the balls in the middle, and those will fit in the middle like this. And then what you do, after you do that, then you just fold it in half carefully like this. And then you have a nice little taco, and then you can squish it down on the edges like this, so that it stays together a little bit. And then you can add a couple details and stuff. I'm making mine a cute little face. I'm making a cat face on mine. Like this. And then after you're done with your taco, then you have a taco. And that's fine. Then you can just make a couple more or whatever you want. And also, I have another thing I want to tell you guys. So you have the cat taco, and you can also you can do other stuff, or you can open it back up. So then you can have the balls, or you could just squish it back into a ball. Whatever you want. So I have another thing I want to show you guys. So I am going to make a ice cream sundae out of Play-Doh. So what I do is I get it, and then I have a special tool. Hold on. Where's the rest of that? Okay, so I have my piece. And then what I do with my piece is you have this, and then you roll it. You probably need to rip it in half. a little bit in half. So then you have this, and then you roll it out flat and stuff. So then what you do after that is you just flatten it out all the way. You roll it out with your hand, just roll it like this. And then you put it in this tube like this. Then you get this piece, or you can just roll it down flat into a skinny ball. Then you push down and then you squish it out. This is made out of my special tool. But you can also just get it and then you can just roll it straight out like this until it gets small enough where it's a string. But I use my special tool. So yeah. And then you get all of your Play-Doh and roll it into a ball, into a string, and then you squish it in there, and then you do all of that again. You squish it back out. So then, when you have it all squished out, and it's okay if it breaks in half. If it does, then what you do is you just squish it back together and then you roll it out with your fingers like this. So then I put this part right there, then roll that back out. If it comes back apart, it's fine. You can just do the same thing all over again. So yeah. And then you have this like this. So you have a big string. Then what you do, I have these cups, or you could just use your Play-Doh container. But I have this cup, a special cup, and you just put it down, and then you just start the Play-Doh at the bottom like this, and then you just roll it around it, you twist it around on the edge like this until it gets all the way up high. You just go crazy with that, like this, and then just do that. And then you have it into like a little swirl, so then you have that. Then you can also make, like, with some of your extra Play-Doh and stuff, you can take a little piece off, and you can roll it into a ball, and then you have a little cherry, and then you can put it right there on top, like that. And you can also put, like, random candles and stuff on it, like, if you want to, for fun. A birthday cupcake, or a birthday ice cream or something. But it's really fun. So then after you get done with that, then you have a ice cream. Bye.